Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to listen to a short and simple story in English. This is a great way to improve your listening skills and learn new words. Ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small sunny town, lived a little cat named Leo. Leo was not like other cats. While they loved to chase mice and sleep in the sun, Leo loved to read books. Every morning, he would sneak into the town library and hide behind a big bookshelf. He read stories about brave knights, magical lands, and far-off galaxies. One day, the librarian, a kind old woman named Clara, found him. She wasn't angry. Instead, she smiled and gave Leo his very own library card. From that day on, Leo was the happiest cat in town. I hope you enjoyed that little story. Listen again to practice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English stories.